In this tutorial, you'll learn how to collect signatures in a Smartsheet form by using a file upload field. This is a simple solution for gathering approvals, sign-offs, and signed documents directly through your forms. Open your existing Smartsheet form and enter the form builder. Since Smartsheet doesn't include a dedicated signature field, you'll use a file upload field to allow users to submit an image or scanned copy of their signature. In the form builder, locate the file upload field from the available form elements. Drag and drop it into your form where you'd like the signature section to appear, typically near the end of the form after all required questions. Once added, rename the field to something clear such as signature. This makes it obvious what respondents should upload. You can also add helpful instructions below the field, such as asking users to upload a photo, screenshot, or scanned image of their signature. After customizing the field, save your form and preview it to make sure everything appears correctly. When users complete the form, they'll be able to upload their signature file along with their responses. This method works well for approval requests, consent forms, project sign-offs, employee documents, and other workflows that require a signature attachment. Thanks for watching.